This is the short video of the day, is the mustache line. What is the mustache line? It's not a good line. It is not a mustache. But essentially what it is when you look at people that have more advanced aging and more wrinkles when they smile, they create this weird little crease there. I don't know if it's always natural. Sometimes it's due to an overfilled lip, but sometimes there's a buckling of the skin that occurs that's very unpleasant and doesn't look good. So we talk about these dynamic wrinkles that go down the face like this, but I also hate this mustache line. It's an area that I fill using the dynamic fillers. Watch my 15-minute video about how I do that. But essentially what I do is I have them smile, and they hold the smile, and then I inject that. You can see I've got dynamic lines, and so what I do is I knock that out. Of course, it can work, the fillers can work on fine lines around the mouth, but not too fine. If they're microscopic, I barely can see them, it is hard to completely eliminate with dynamic fillers, but this is just the idea of the mustache line and why it's so important to fix this. And now, with my dynamic filler technique, I have a method to do it.